What's going on, everybody? My name is Peter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a rule in your Facebook Ads Manager to automatically scale your ad sets 20% every single day without you having to touch it. Let's get started. Here we are at the ad set level inside of an ad account here. This is an ABO campaign, so the budget is set at the ad set level. So what you're going to want to do is select your ad set that you want to create the rule for. Go over here to this rules drop down, create a new rule, custom rule. Hit next. Let's name this scale 20% if ROAS is greater than 2.5 last 3 days, and then I'll set a max of $500. We're going to apply this rule to one ad set, and then the action is going to be increase daily budget by 20%, maximum daily budget cap. So how high can this rule go and execute before it won't execute again? So $500 a day just to be safe. And then how often do we want this? Once a day. And then conditions, this is where we'll set the ROAS condition. Purchase ROAS is greater than 2.5. Boom. Time range, last 3 days. We'll set this to custom, and then we'll do it at 4 a.m. Boom. And then we're all done. That's how you do it. All right. See you guys in the next video. Peace.